na nababakabalin, welcome to Pampanga. For today's video, wala po tayo ngayon sa Pampanga, pero nandito tayo ngayon sa katabing probinsya natin, which is ang probinsya ng Tarlac. Guys, for today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Secret Cabins Resort located po sa Bamban, Tarlac. Tingnan naman yung background natin. Tingnan yung background natin, guys. Napakaganda, napaka-aliwalas at napaka-relaxing, guys. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Pool area natin at the same time yung common area, which is this one. Napakalaki nito, guys. It can accommodate yung guest natin dito siguro up until 30 to 40, I guess, no? Imagine yourself having your occasion dito. Dito sa right side ko naman yung pool area natin. So this one is designed as para siyang infinity pool. The depth natin is around 5.5 feet. Dito naman sa pinakaunahan ng pool natin meron siyang hot and cold jacuzzi. So guys, it's a controlled water temperature dahil minsan daw nga sobrang lamig dito sa bundok. So napaka-thoughtful ng owners natin dito dahil ginawa nilang hot and cold yung water temperature natin dito. So again, this is the common area. Meron tayong mga tables and chairs dito. We also have outdoor sofa which you can actually enjoy, like having chit-chat, storya, ganyan. And then dito rin sa labas, meron tayong gazebo, which is that one. It's also an outdoor dining area. It can accommodate up until 10 to 12 siguro, no? Yung ambience natin dito is napaka-close to nature and at the same time, napaka-liwalas, guys. Okay, so this time, I wanna tour you guys dito naman sa pinaka-cabin natin. Let's get inside. As soon as you enter, you're gonna be greeted with yung indoor sofa natin, which is this one. Nandito rin yung indoor dining area natin. An alternative to what you can enjoy dun sa labas. So this can accommodate up until 8. So yung design niya para sa akin in the outside is yung parang structure ng bahay kubo. But as soon as you enter, this is what you will have. Napaka-modern yung nasa loob natin. Yung mga appliances na nandito. So you have a refrigerator, meron din tayong microwave oven, a gas range, meron din tayong rice cooker. Still dito sa living area natin, we have this really huge flat screen TV. Moving forward, guys, meron din dito sa baba, pinaka comfort room ng cabin natin dito. So this one is the place. And then still dito sa first level, yung parang master's bedroom. So this master's bedroom can accommodate hanggang 3 adults. It can actually fit here. Meron din siyang pull-out bed that you can actually extend. Dito sa master's bedroom, if you open the entire door, eto yan, guys. So meron ka na naman view ng mountain ranges ng Bamban. Napakaganda, guys. Imagine yourself again waking up in the morning. Again, you're gonna see this one. Whew, amazing. Okay, so let's come up naman dun sa parang mezzanine nila, or this is the loft ng cabin. Meron tayo ditong beds. So again, this can accommodate up until 10 to 12. Up in here, you have another access to that door, which is a balcony facing yung mountain range ng Zambales. Dito naman, again, mountain range ng Bamban, Tarlac. So what a great view. Ganda. Let's talk about the rates. If you want to book dito po sa Secret Cabins Resort, 60,000 pesos during weekdays and 70,800 naman during weekends and public holidays. The resort has so many more plans upcoming. They're gonna be adding more cabins. Siguro good for 4 packs na family. They're gonna be adding that very soon. They're gonna also have a function hall upcoming dito po. So it's gonna be one-stop shop. So dito gagawin yung event mo. And at the same time, dito ka na rin magla-lodge for your overnight stay. So if you're interested to know more about this, gotta check out the fan page we're gonna be including in the caption below, or call the numbers again in the caption below if you wanna book or ocular visit dito po sa Secret Cabins Resort. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye, guys.